If you are learning German, you have probably said this before. Ich bin 20 Jahre. Okay. Ich habe müde. Both are wrong. But after this video, you will never confuse between ich bin and ich habe. Hi everyone, welcome to German with Gauri. In this video, you will learn two super important German words, haben and sein. Okay, the part or form of sein is ich bin, and form of haben is ich habe. Okay, sein is to be, and habe is to have. Correct? Haben is a verb, and sein is also a verb. Now, we'll see one by one each part. So let's start with the video. Now, first part, we'll see what is this ich bin. Ich bin is I am. You will use it very often, this phrase. Okay. So, where do we use this? Where do we use ich bin? I am. Okay. So, first of all, it is used for identity. Like here, I will say, ich bin Gauri. You will say, ich bin so and so. Okay, your name. Then, if it comes to your studies or so, you will say, ich bin student. I am student. Correct? Got it? Okay. Now, for profession also. For example, I will say, ich bin Lehrerin, meaning I am teacher, right? Now, in third condition, that is for age. This is very, very important. Now, you have to say, ich bin 20 Jahre alt. Don't miss alt. So, earlier also I have mentioned, don't just say, ich bin 20 Jahre. You have to add alt. Okay. In English, you can say, I am 20 years. But here in German, you have to say, ich bin 20 Jahre alt. Okay. So, very, very important. Don't miss alt. Now, in some feelings or condition, to show some feelings, you have to use this ich bin. For example, if you are tired, then you have to say ich bin müde, meaning I am tired. Or if you are happy, you can say ich bin glücklich. Okay. So for feelings condition also, you have to use this ich bin. Now we'll come to ich habe part. Okay, ich habe. This means I have. For possession, you have to use ich habe. For example, I will say ich habe ein Buch, meaning I have a book. Then you will say ich habe ein Auto, meaning I have a car. So possession, you have to use ich habe. Correct? Then for family people also you have to use this verb haben. Now, for example, ich habe einen Bruder, meaning I have a brother, right? This is all about family or people. Now, in some special expressions, you have to use haben, okay? Ich habe. Like, suppose you are hungry. You cannot say ich bin. Here you have to use ich habe Hunger. This means I have hunger. Or if you are thirsty, then you have to say ich habe Durst. Okay. See, in English, you say I am hungry. Okay. I am thirsty. But here in German, it is not like that. You have to use haben or ich habe in special expressions. There are more such special expressions you can say. So in some other video, I will explain these expressions where we use verb haben. Okay. So basically, you just understand this or keep it in mind that bean, ich bin, is used for identity, profession, age, and feeling or condition. And haben, verb haben, is used for possession, then family or people, and for special expressions. Okay, so this is clear. So comment me in German that ich bin bereit, meaning I am ready. So that's all for today, friends. Subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, because I'll be coming up with more such videos. And thank you and bye bye.